Alright guys, in this small tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the name server of your website in the Namecheap website.com. So let's go to the Namecheap site. So here I am on my dashboard right here. So you want to change the name. Let's say you want to change the name server of this website here. Let's choose our website. This is all my website here. Let's say I want to change the name server of this website here. This website here. So you want to go to manage. So you want to scroll down to the name servers. Yeah. So you want to change this to here to my name server. Okay, let's say I want to change it to this one right here. I want to host my website with this company. So I want to change it to this name server. I'll just grab this name here and go to my name server. Here, add the name. Go back here. Copy and paste the second one there. Then this option here, we're going to click save, and when you click save, that will change the name server of your website. So that's how it goes. So you have to wait for maybe 1 or 2 days for the khaki to get away, to be able to log into your website. So that's how it goes. Let me know guys, and if you guys want to know how I'm selling my domain and make money fast on Namecheap.com, you want to check the link down below. So I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.